What's up everybody, welcome back to their channel. No, welcome back to my channel. Alright, today I have a new dance song for you. The title of the song is called No Good, No Good by Brooke. Okay, it's sexy dance, so let's start. Are you ready guys? Yes. Okay, let's start. So we're gonna actually open is fine. So from here, side 1, 2, then drag it 3, up on 4, look up on 5, open on 6. Your left in your hip 6, right set, then 8. 1, 2. Yes. Your left hand, you can stay there or drop, it's fine. Okay? One more time. So 5, 6, 7, side 1, 2, left 4, up on 5, and down 5, open on 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Next. Continue. 2, look on 3, 4, 5, 6, close on 7, chest, and 8. And 8, chest. Alright, again. So 5, 6, 7, up, 1, 2, drop, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, look on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's try faster. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Good job. Next. So 7, 8. In. Tissue. In. Back. 1, 2, back 3, 4. So focus on this one. 5 and 6. Close on 7. Circle 8. 1, 2. Until here first. So from here 6, 7, chest and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, close 7, 8, 1, 2. Let's do it from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 8, 1, 2. Yes. Let's continue. From 8, 2, 3, walk on 4, 5, 6. So 5, 6, stay on 7, and sit on 8. Okay? Let's try again. This is easy. 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So when you sit, lower. Okay, from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, dip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 8. Good job. And from here, next, so you're gonna go 7, 8. Add going back to center. Anything. 6, 1, 8. That is one quick 8. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Close on 8. Okay, anything, just go back to center. Use your hand, just don't walk. Okay, don't walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do something. You can go lower. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Just feel. Don't do that. Especially if you're dancing on the street. Okay, you get all the dust. So from 7, 7, 8, you can just turn around. 1, 2, 3. Anything. Don't copy me. That's why they call freestyle. It's your own. Alright, ready? Let's try it from here. So 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Anything. 6. Everyone goes on 8. Okay? Don't forget. Close on 8. Okay, next, so the last pose is here, right? 7, 8. Ad-lib. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So make sure we meet up on 8. Next, isolation, hips first. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 7 together. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 5, 6, cross, and 7. You see, I changed the weight from left to right. So 5, 6, and 7. Hit side, go 8. Just 8. You will hear the bass there on the music. Boom. It's not bass or snare. I'm not sure. It's like shit. Not shit. Hit. Sorry. Let's try. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hit it. Alright? And 7. Hit. Hit. Or like this. If you feel weird like this, you just put like this. Alright? Yes. Okay? Okay, one more time. 6, 7, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hit. Yes, hit. From the beginning. Ready? So 5. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dip, dip, loop. 4, 5, 6, sorry, 7, 8. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Close up. 1, 2, 3, walk. 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Yes. Alright. Teaching me because I forgot. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll change to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7. Open on 8. Go 1, 2, and 4. Dip on 4. Yes. One more time. So this one, make sure you dip. Go 4. Yes, this is my tail. If you're asking what is that, it's my tail. And that's why 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6, 7, jump 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's the timing. Timing. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, jump 8. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. And 4. Okay, from here should be 4, turn 5 and 6. Down 5 and 5 and 6. Alright, then shoulder and 7. Copy, then lip on 8. 8, 1, 2, 3. Yes, you go home. You exit. Actually, the walk is slow. Shot, shot. Slow, slow. And look back. Yes. Okay, before we do everything, let's clarify that part. So it goes like, and 7, 8, 1, 7, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn around. 5 and 6. All right. Then jump. 8. Then go back. Shoulder. Shoulder. She said, Maya's shoulder. That means you forget the shoulder. Okay, one more time. Sorry, yeah? That's why I'm missing count. Again, surprise. 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Center. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn around. 5, 6, 7. Jump on 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Look back. Yeah! Good job! Let's try everything from the beginning. Are you ready? Are you ready, girls?
Yes!
More energy! Are you ready, girls?
Yes!
Bye-bye! So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. Stop. Shoulder. And up. And yes. One more time. I messed up. Actually, I forgot. So here we go. In 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. And 8. Add with 2. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn around and shoulder. Lift back and stop. Good job. Congratulations.